Hello and welcome to the administration section of domyreports.com. This page allows you to set the main parameters for the school. You can download a quick guide to the administration section in Word or Adobe PDF formats, or just follow this video if you prefer. It's probably best to show a sample of the final report so that you can decide what sections are relevant to your school, and which are not, and you can turn them on and off, as you deem necessary. The report is made up of a title page, subjects, attendance and punctuality, signatures and a return slip. If your school does not need attendance, signatures and return slips, then they can be turned off for the final report in the administration section. The reporting tool uses a predefined comment bank and a teacher's own comment bank to help teachers build reports quickly. These two can be turned on and off as appropriate. You can set the display font size and the print font size for the reports here too. If you have used this reporting tool before, then it is best to delete old report data to prepare for the current year's reports. If this is your first time using this, then you will firstly need to upload your school logo. This is done by selecting the School tab. Now click the Add Logo button and navigate to the location of your school logo. Select it and click Save and Return. You can enter the class names and teachers manually using the appropriate menu tabs in the navigation bar, and then the teacher of each class can then add their students using the data entry screens when they log in. However, there is an import facility which allows you to import class, teacher and student information from a CSV spreadsheet. You can create this CSV file from your current school management software. Select the Import Records from the menu tabs. Using your mouse, right-click the Download Sample Template and select Save Link As or Save Target As and download the sample template. Open up this file in Excel and replace the columns in the template with your data from your IT system in exactly the same format, preserving the first row column names as a guide. You will need to know a little about spreadsheets to complete this task. Please ensure that your CSV file is exactly the same as the template layout. Make sure that the teacher and class names, email and teacher type, which is always one, are replicated for each student. Support teachers are added manually later. Once you have finished manipulating your spreadsheet, save it as a comma-delimited CSV file. Now, from the Import Records page, select the Import CSV to School Database button and navigate to your new CSV file. Select Upload. This should not take too long. You will see a complete list of all of the students imported if the import is successful. The teachers and classes that have been imported can be previewed under the Class and Teacher menu tabs. You can manipulate these records further from here if required. As support teachers tend to be assigned to more than one class, these need to be added manually, and then assign the support teacher to a class under the Support Teacher tab in menu bar. You can of course assign class teachers to other classes as support teachers if you wish. To add a support teacher, select the Teacher menu tab and select Add. Add the teacher name and select Support Teacher from the teacher type. Then add an email and password for them to log in. Once complete, you can assign a support teacher to one or several classes so that they can report on students. To assign a support teacher, select the Support Teacher from the menu tab. Select the teacher and select the class and save. If you are entering many records here, then use Save and New and you won't keep returning to the previous screen. It's much quicker to use Save and New if entering many records on any of these screens. The final part of the setup is to set up the actual report titles. Select Report Titles from the menu tab and select Add. Enter the report title. its numerical order of appears on the report and set a minimum and maximum amount of words that the teacher should use. This is just a guide for the teachers and warns them if they are typing too much or too little. That is the end of the tutorial. More details can be found on the quick guide. Thank you.